Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to talk to you real quick about a comment that I had from someone the other day. I had been talking about watering and proper watering techniques, particularly with watering 45 minutes per zone for rotors, making sure you get half inch of water per watering, 3 to 4 times per week. And the comment was basically, that's just too much. It would cost a fortune to get that much water on my lawn. And for one, he is right. It's expensive to water your lawn. To keep your lawn watered in Midlothian, it's not cheap. I'm sure it's expensive in Mansfield and Arlington as well. But what I would have to say to that is all these things I've talked about, all these techniques, you have to get them right, and that's going to maximize how much water you can get on your lawn. We see it all the time when people come to us and they say, well, water's kind of expensive, so we only water 10 minutes per zone, but we do it every single day, and that's just not effective. That's a waste of water. It's costing you more because your lawn's really not getting what it needs. That person would be much better off in cutting those the waterings down to 2 waterings per week and running it for 40 minutes. It'd be about the same amount of water that the lawn's getting, and it would be much more effective, and they would be much better off. Now, that might not be enough water for the lawn. The lawn might need more than that, but what it's getting is going to be more effective, and it's going to be better for the lawn. So all these things, just pay attention to them and make sure you're doing things properly. And that's going to get you a lot further. Making sure you're not watering in the middle of the day when you got a lot of evaporation. Making sure that you run through your system, that your sprinkler heads aren't spraying the sidewalks and the streets instead of the lawn, or that you have a broken sprinkler head that's just gushing water constantly and it's doing it in the middle of the night. You might not notice. So make sure you run through your sprinkler system regularly to watch out for those types of things. Use technology. Rain freeze sensors on your sprinkler system. Make sure you have one. Make sure it's working properly so that you're not watering whenever it's raining outside. Pay attention to weather patterns. Adjust your sprinkler system based on rain that we get, because we need X amount of water on the lawn per week, and so you can subtract rainfall from that. So if you really pay attention and you do all those things properly, and you make sure your sprinkler system's running properly, your waterings can go a lot further, and you can get a lot closer to what your lawn actually needs than you probably think you can. So hope that helps. If you have any questions about that or need any help, we can point you in the right direction or help you any way we can. Thanks.